Hello everyone, we'll be making this crocodile with the vegetable. So cut it like this from the top and make the patterns on the top of it. Cut it like this and fix the sticks in the between to make its mouth. Make its eyes and then you have to fix it like this. Make its legs like this on the sides and it's done. Next, using the straw, we'll be making this beautiful swing or the slide. So now make its handle by putting the straws like this on the top. Make its handle and then we'll be making it slide like this. Make the ladder on the back and then make it like this and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the clay and put it over the white sheet. Now take a foam and then fix it like this. Now apply the clay on the sides. Make a giraffe by putting yellow color clay over it. Make its eyes, ears and the mouth. Make the pattern on the back of it like this. Make its tail and your giraffe is ready. Next, we'll be taking a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it out like this. Now, draw the lines on the foam and then cut it out. Now, apply it like this on the top and make some flowers inside it. Make one more as such. Now, on the back, put the sticks in the standing way and then put the foam in the between like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking the leaf and then paste it like this or just color it the paper and cut it out. Now using the holes, we'll be fixing it like this. Put the paper inside it and paste it like this. Make its legs and make its hands and your cute teddy bear is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the black sheet and make this flowers. So, we'll be taking the cup and then we'll be cutting out from the top and make few more as such and then put them one by one like this on the sides. Now, after that, put the pieces of the paper alongside and together. Now, remove it and your flowers are done. Next, we'll be making this card. So, take the wooden cardboard sheet and then cut it out like this. Now, paste them like this together and fix it. Take the cap and fix the straws in the between and put it on the top. Make its handle. Now, after that, make its wheels. Put the balloon on the top like this. And then take a paper, draw a circle on it and make it stick by using red color paper. Fix it like this. Now put yellow and red color over it and make the seeds to make the watermelon. Now draw the lines like this as shown in the video. Now after that, your watermelon stick is ready. Next, we'll be taking or making a cap. So, take a round paper and then cut it from the sides and paste it like this to make a round shape. Now, take the green color paper strip and surround it like this on the sides. Take another paper and make its front part and fix it. And it's done. Next, take the earbuds, join it with the help of a rubber band like this. Now, fix another one in the same manner. Now, after that, bend it a little bit from the side and then we'll be fixing it with the rubber band like this and make a bow. Now, we'll be making an arrow using another earbuds and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a white sheet, draw the lines on it or just make a duck or a swan and cut it out. Now paste them like this and color its beak, draw its eyes, draw a circle like this and paste it. Now color it like this by spreading it and make its wings on the sides and your swan is ready. Next, take a white sheet, fold it like this. Now after that, make its eyes and ears and your bunny is ready. Thanks for watching our video.